right here on back. All right, I already did the measurements. So from that point there to that side of the vehicle is 28.5 inches. Same as this part over here, 28.5 inches. And then I just centered it right now. So it could be the 3-inch mark right there, and that'll be the center point, 6 inches apart. And finally, the top part of it, done. And once again, from the center point to right here, this line right here, 22 inches and a half. And same as the other side, 22 inches and a half from this mark right here. I ordered a set of 2. That's 1. That's the next one, same thing. These 2 are the same. And these 2 are the same also. I ordered 2 sets of these stripes for the Mustang. All right, here we go. Everything's already prepped. Everything is taped up. And this is how it's going to look before. And that's the top of it. I don't have enough on this side, but I'm going to do this first. Then I add some pieces to the end right there. Here's the trunk. Yep, that's how it's gonna look after I'm done putting it on. So I'm gonna start with the top. And here we go. This one here, if I do good with the top, I have another set of those long ones. So I'll remove these and replace it with the other ones. But these are only like 4 inches, 4 feet long. And the other 2 I have, the extra 2 those are like 6 feet long. So if I do good on that up there, then I'm gonna bring the 6 feet and put them down here. Okay, got the top done with no problem, and I did it dry. So that means these other 2 pieces that were long, I replaced these with the others that I had here before because they were shorter. They were 4 feet. These are 6 feet. So I got them already lined up and ready to put these. These are the last to put on. And that one's already done. Let me give you a walk around how it looks. That's it right there. Oh yeah. These are the first ones I did. When I started, these were the first. I know it's gonna be the hardest because it's way up on the roof. So I did that first. And then I did these second, the trunk. And now I'm doing the hood for last. Yeah, and that's how that looks. Real nice. Look at that. All the way up. And it comes down nice and even. Yep, that's how that looks. So, and I still got more. I'm gonna do the bumper and wrap it around. It's like a wraparound strap that I'm gonna put on. So yeah, that's it. All right, let's continue. Now all I gotta do is just cut that off, and that's it. Start doing the bumpers. So that's how it looks now. Nice.